little artist, I'm Mariana Olson, and today we're drawing a cat folding surprise. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. We're gonna start folding the paper in half. Then we're gonna take the bottom part and fold in half again. Now we're gonna flip it over and fold one more time, and then we're gonna open it, we're gonna flip it, and we're gonna start drawing right here. Okay, little artist, today we're gonna do a folding surprise. I'm using my paper this way, opens to the bottom, and we're gonna start with the little cat that is showing on the front. We're gonna leave 4 finger space, and we're gonna put here after a little curve that goes up and comes back down, kind of like in a pointy way. Now let's leave 3 finger space, and we're gonna do the next one. Here we're gonna go up and a triangle. So this is the face and leaving a space in the middle, and we're gonna close it with a curved line. Now we're gonna do the face here, and we're gonna do a little nose with a triangle. We're gonna fill this with black. We're gonna put here his little eyes with 2 oval shapes, and if you want, you can do your eyes different than mine. Now let's finish here. Up here we're gonna do a letter M. We're gonna do it one more time, letter M, and go up, and that's the inside of the ears. Next we're gonna do the bottom, where is the basket he's sitting on. We're gonna leave 3 finger space. So it's gonna be a little bit of a space between the cat and the end of the basket, and we're gonna do a letter U. In the other side, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna put 3 fingers, and I'm gonna do a letter U. Now we're gonna fill this space between the 2 letter U's with more. This part is gonna be a little faster, but remember, you can stop the video until you are done. Now we're gonna do the bottom of the basket. We're gonna start on the left side, and I'm gonna do 3 letter C's together. It's gonna start here. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I'm leaving a finger space on the bottom. Let's do the same curves on the other side. 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna rotate the paper, and we're gonna go from side to side, joining these 2. And if you want, you can use a ruler to do this line. Now let's connect the letter C's from side to side. The same thing, a line straight down. Okay. The next thing is gonna be the weaving part of the basket, and you can change these 2 if you want to, but I wanna do lines from these corners here, going down and curving a little. This part the same, is gonna be faster, but you can stop the video until you're done. Okay, this is how my basket looks like. Now let's open the paper, and we're gonna start with the mom that is down here, and it's gonna go to the folding part. We're gonna leave 2 finger space, and we're gonna do a line up, 2 finger space, and we're gonna do a line up. That's the body part. Now let's do a big letter U that goes from side to side from the folding part. So I'm starting here, I'm going around, keep going and going up and to the folding part. Next we're gonna do the ears, and from here I'm going up, triangle, and I'm gonna stop before I get to the folding part. The same thing here, we're gonna do a triangle, and I stop before I get to the folding part. Now let's do the face, and we're gonna do the little nose, filling with black. Underneath we're gonna do a little line, and then kind of like a V shape, little curves. And on top of the nose we're gonna do the eyes with 2 oval shapes that I'm filling with black. Now this mom has a little kitten sitting on her head, and we're gonna do here the paws first with 1 and 2 oval shapes, and inside we're gonna put 2 little lines to make the paws. And now we can close the rest of the head, just connecting the lines here. Now let's start with the kitten, and we're gonna do short lines from here and from here for the legs. And we're gonna continue with the head, and we're gonna do kind of like a big letter U. I'm gonna start here, I'm gonna go around, going up. We're gonna do the ears with one triangle and another one. And in the middle, we're gonna do a curve for the head. We're gonna do the same thing with the ears. We're gonna do kind of like a letter M and going up, letter M and going up. And we missed that on the mom, so let's do that here for the ears. Now this little kitten is gonna be looking a little up, so instead of doing the nose in the middle, we're gonna do a little up. We're gonna do the triangle. We're gonna do 1 and 2 curves. And in this side, we're gonna do 1 and 2 eyes. And that's gonna make it appear that it's looking up. The last thing we're gonna do is finish the cat on the top. We're gonna cross the folding part and we're gonna go around and connect to the other side. We're gonna do his body shape with 1 and 2 lines. And we're gonna do inside 2 curves with 2 lines inside for the paws. And on the top, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna do the 2 curves underneath his nose. The last thing, the last detail, we're gonna put the whiskers, and we're gonna do here with putting 2 lines, 1 and 2. And we're gonna do the same in the little kittens. Just make sure here, do not cross the folding part. And there, that's it. We finished this folding surprise. Let's check how it looks when we close it. And this is how it looks when we open. I hope you like this lesson. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my picture turned out with the colors I choose. Remember, you can add details in the background if you want. Now let's open it. And here is this mama cat with her 2 kittens. You can change the colors of the fur or of the skin of the cat. You can do different details, like instead of the triangles, you can put something around her eye. And I add some hearts around it, but you can also change the background. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!